Everybody, Rndr pulled right back to the box, right where we were looking for. Right, we got this box in here. Now is this the bottom? Well, we're gonna take a look here. This looks like the fourth wave pullback. That's an ABC in there, and expecting a fifth wave up. There's no question that's an ABC, but we're gonna take a measurement here and see if we possibly hit a bottom. First off, I want to show you over here real fast. Got some news out there. Bitcoin hits 1 week low as boost from Powell. Powell's signal unravels. Bitcoin dives below 60,000 as the crypto market liquidations above 300 million. Wow. Yeah, a lot of people expected, not just me, a pile of people expected Bitcoin to stop, right up at this upper level. I'm going to show you that right now. I mean, it just made sense. You get a breakout when you break resistance, all right? You come back and retest it as support. Resistance right here, right here, right here, right there, okay? You break it, you push up, you come back, you retest it, and you bounce from there most of the time, all right? That's how it happens. This is a wedge breakout, all right? That should have been just a retest and then a wave 5 up, but no. It fell right through, took out a pile of longs, and that's what you get. You just I guess when you think which I don't think I know it all, but when you're counting on a move to happen like this, and it falls through, it baffles you. Looking for a move up there from Bitcoin. So not sure. It is making a charge back up here on the lower time frames. I just put out a trade over in Discord. Looks like it's going to run back up, possibly right on 60,500, the lower end of this resistance line, this yellow line here. So we'll see what happens. If you're interested, guys, I just put this trade out. I mean, this trade right here would pay for your membership. A membership's $15. A level 3. Go check it out. You get a bunch of videos to watch, teach you how to start charting, how to use Fibonacci. This Fibonacci alone will make you a pile of money. Gives you price targets, how to do that, everything, man. Everything is over there. Over 10 hours of videos and a link to the Discord. If you try it for a month, $15, you don't like it, then cancel it, but you'll definitely get your money's worth out of it. Looking for this push up to that 60 percentile for this altcoin season to start. We're the highest we've been in a long time. This is on a weekly chart. You can see right now we are up towards 57 and a quarter right now, right? Running right into this prior, right over here, running right into that resistance level right now. Okay, this was a big area back in 2020 where it bounced from. All right, so obviously it's a very, very strong resistance level. It busts through that and gets up here. Then we're looking for it to break down and have our alt season. So it's getting extremely close, guys. Over here on the fear and greed index, 55. Let's refresh this. All right, and see what we got. I'm taking it's probably lower than that today after Bitcoin fell through that wedge. 30, yeah, that's a huge difference. Back in fear, we go up to greed, and you get smacked right back down. Bam. But whatever, we'll take it. We'll move on, and I still think this market has a big move to come here, just not breaking yet. There we go. That's the last hour. Okay, we got Bitcoin pushing up a little bit, so got the altcoins starting to move a little. Some pullbacks here. Here's Rndr. The market cap 2.29 billion, rank number 34. That's impressive, man. Out of all them cryptos to be, even in the top 100 is impressive. 132 million in volume the last 24 hours. Now, if we come over here and look at this chart, all right, we had this box here. We came right down. We hit it perfectly, all right, and are bouncing from that area. Now, if we take in, you can see this was a very good support level also right here. Okay, we're going to put a line right there. All right, we came up, broke that prior resistance, came back, have tested it now as a possible support level. What we're looking for here, all right, is this right here. Okay, you got wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5th wave up. Okay, now is this good enough for a pullback? Well, if you take a measurement off here, you can go from your wave 2 right there with a fib, pull it up. Alright, we're right about at that 50 percentile. Okay, that's just about perfect for a 4th wave pullback. Could it come deeper? Yeah, absolutely, man. It can come down to a 618. What we're going to do is we're going to zoom in and measure this out. Alright, this is an ABC pattern for sure. No question. Alright, let's take Fibonacci. Sorry if you hear the AC running in the background. It's 98 degrees here today. I just could not shut that off today. It's way too warm. Alright, let's see what we got in here. We have a push up to that 786. AB, you know, yeah, you could have a bottom right here. Alright, for sure. I'm looking, let's go without them big wicks. See what we got in here as far as a measurement. Same thing, 786. 786 right there, pull it down on top. Yeah, you know, well, what we got going for us is right here. The 4-hour RSI is turned up to the upside. We got the 8-hour just turning up, bullish. Okay, the 12 is still correcting, pulling down. The daily is bearish, a 76 and an 86, and the 3-day and the 5-day. The 3-day looks great, still heading up. Your 5-day heading to the upside. Your weekly has just turned to the upside. The weekly's just turned up. All right, and look at this. I mean, we had this massive A, B, C finished. This should be starting at least a retracement back up. All right, at least back up to a 618, back up to 997, around $10. Right, 1086. We break through the 702 and look out. This thing is really going to get going. But we got the weekly RSI turned to the upside, and the monthly is still cranking over there. All right, you can see it turning. It's straightening out. You know, trying to make it bend back up. On the bottom, it has bended back up. All right, so nice green. Boy, if this pulls up to the top and makes a hammer candle for the month, you know, getting close to the month here. That's going to be very, very impressive. What's it on a weekly here? No hammer on the weekly, but you love seeing hammer candles. This is definitely an ABC pattern in here. You know, this big overall move. You know, you could have a big 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside here. But for the short term, all right, what we're looking for here is for this pullback. Hopefully that is a bottom right there. All right, that's what we're looking for. And we're looking for a push to the upside to start here. Okay, right back. Give you a target here. You know, a target for this 5th wave on this thing, if that's what we get, would be up $7.63 on the 4-hour. It's a lot easier to see this, you know, and I totally believe that's where this is heading. The ABC made a bottom. All right, we're not going lower than that. This thing is not going. That was the low right there. All right, this for you, as far as I can tell, 100%. That was the low. This is making a move to the upside. All right, we're gonna leave it right like. Well, in fact, we're gonna put a target up here, blue. All right, we're gonna make that blue. That should be the target for this 5th wave. Could it pull back a little bit more? It could. All right. Things don't always do what you think they're going to, just like with Bitcoin there. You know, there were so many traders out there thinking it was heading to a lot. I guess that's what happens, you know. Could this pull down to a 528 or 506? Yeah, it could. All right, I just don't see that happening. We have a wick up here on this wave 1, 2. That wick comes right up 541. I just don't think we're going to lower than that. I think that's bottom. Right, 528 maybe, but we'll see. I believe it's going to hold this. This was very, very good support all through right over here. Now it's flipped that into support, and I totally believe that's going to hold. All right, so we'll look for a move to the upside here, and we'll leave this just like it is. We'll put the 5 waves on there and leave it. 1, 2, 3. Especially with Bitcoin looking like it's making a little bit of movement. We're going to leave it right like that for the next video. Have a great day, you guys. Please hit that like and subscribe. I'll talk to you soon.